If you're at all interested in these incredibly ancient drill cores that were found in Egypt, then I've got something to show you, because initially I thought, well, maybe it's just there's a few of them, because when you watch channels like Uncharted X, you see the odd one. So I decided I would research it and find out how many there actually are. And even though I have personally visited the Petrie Museum, and I remember seeing a few of them there, I did not realise quite how many there are at the Petrie Museum. So the majority of these pictures are from that museum, and it is mind-blowing. Not only the quantity of these things, but the types of rock that are included in these samples. So we've got basalt, we've got carnelian, we've got porphyry, we've got diorite, we've got basalt, we've got the red granite, and of course we've got a lot of alabaster. But the interesting thing is, all the alabaster stuff seems to be dated to the more recent times, whereas i.e. 2,000 years ago, while the more hard rock is dated way back to the Old Kingdom, mainly, and that I consider to be very interesting. But anyway, look, these are the core samples, the drill cores. I mean, look how many there are. It's not just a matter of one here and there. There are literally hundreds, if not thousands of them, just in the Petrie Museum alone. And then you have these samples that you can tell a lot of information from them, from the way that the drill went into them. And obviously the striations. Now, if you want to get to really understand the striations, I do recommend Uncharted X, because they go into a lot of detail on this and explain how the way that the archaeologists describe them being cut is not possible based on the striations. So if you follow my channel, you're probably already aware that I believe that a form of vibrational technology was used for the cutting of these sorts of things. And if you want to know more, you could check out one of my episodes on that subject. Thanks for watching.